Yes, this is genuine income stream. It's not clickbait. And yes, that's the machine in the background making me some money while I chat to you. So I've got my hands on a laser engraving machine. Now I'm going to be completely upfront and honest with you. This is Ortur, the Laser Master 3, and Ortur sent me the machine for review. They asked me to do 2 videos and this isn't one of them. Now the video that's already been out, I'm going to stick over a link under here. There's a second video coming out soon which will expand the range of my monetary income from this machine a lot more, but today I'm just going to talk about the side stuff that you can make with this machine and make some quick money, and I really do mean that. So in the first week of having this machine, I've had orders for slate coasters were an instant hit. Sold 6 packs of those slate coasters straight away, and they're on my Etsy store, which I'll put a link in the description for that. This video isn't sponsored by Ortur because this is me just genuinely saying this is an income stream. If I can make some money in the first week of having this machine, and I haven't even figured out exactly what this machine can really do yet, then this is definitely going to pay its money back very, very quickly. So by personalizing items, you can get quick sales on things like slate coasters, leather key rings, wooden signs, even heading into things like glass tumblers. Now I'm going to say without trying too hard, you can get your money back on one of these within a couple of months. Let me show you some of the things that I've produced and already sent out to friends, family, and straight through the Etsy store. So I've talked about these slate coasters. Well, here's some of the ideas that you can have. So instantly having a family's name personalizes, and then you can sell a bunch of them instead of just one. Having a company logo is another way of personalizing coasters. Maybe you can get someone's favorite item, motorbike, guitar, house, car, favorite view from their holiday villa, engraved into a thing. And check out some of the detail that you can get on these slate coasters. Now I've knocked out a couple of leather key rings and sent them off to a guy who holds a festival every year with 500 to 600 people turning up. Now if he dates those and sells them fairly cheap, they become an instant memento of the weekend. I've contacted shops and web companies that sell little trinkets for a niche group. Instantly I could become a large supplier for one of their items. And the ideas will keep coming, and my Etsy store will keep growing and growing and growing. I intend to contact a lot more people to see if they would like a certain amount of personalized equipment, if they would like to stock some of these coasters, key rings, whatever. The next video you're going to see from my channel is me personalizing this bass guitar body, and we're going to do that with a picture. And all of these things, as well as making me money, still leaves my hands free while it's working to get on with something else and create a secondary income. Now I'm going to leave a link down in the description to get your hands on one of these Ortur machines. If you're quick and getting before the 31st of November, this is 2022, you can get one of these for £500 instead of the 630 that they would normally go for. Now even at full price, you're going to get your money back on one of those really quickly. At 500 quid, that's going to happen even faster. If you've got space to put one of these laser machines in your workshop, do so. So I would highly recommend getting your hands on one of these. I would also highly recommend watching this video and subscribing and clicking all the buttons down here, and then catching the next one. Until next time, God bless.